When in Tokyo, it's really easy to get a PASMO card like Sanjay's getting right now. So you can just prepay for your metro access and bus access. And anything left over before you leave, you can come and get a refund.
Metro and JR access.
Metro and JR access. Train.
Train and subway.
Train and subway.
And also you can buy drinks.
And what? You can buy drinks? I don't know if you can buy drinks.
Yep. See now, come take a look over here.
Come take a look over here, real quick.
We just purchased this PASMO card.
Buy a PASMO card from your local metro station from wherever you're staying, and you can even buy drinks from the vending machines anywhere in the city. Arigatou gozaimasu!